Video series. Master algebra fundamentals through our comprehensive video series designed by leading mathematicians. Transform your understanding with step-by-step tutorials, real-world applications, and proven problem-solving techniques. Start learning today. Learn more. Why explore algebra with us? Bar graph. Clear, guided learning. Follow a thoughtfully organized journey through algebra, with each video building on the last to ensure lasting understanding no matter your starting point. Bullseye. Practical, everyday relevance. See how algebra shapes the world around us, from personal finance and technology to creative problem solving in daily life. Light bulb. Insightful explanations. Benefit from clear, approachable instruction that breaks down complex ideas into simple, relatable steps, perfect for lifelong learners, professionals, and enthusiasts alike. Upward trend. Personal progress insights. Track your growth with interactive checkpoints and feedback, helping you celebrate milestones and stay motivated on your learning adventure. Transform your mathematical journey. AlgePrime isn't just another math course, it's a complete transformation of how you approach algebraic thinking. Our meticulously designed curriculum takes you from basic concepts to advanced problem solving, building confidence and competence at every step. Interactive problem sets and quizzes. Downloadable reference materials. Community access and peer support. Unlimited access to all materials. 60 days money-back guarantee, no questions asked. Choose your learning path. 150 episodes. Satisfaction guaranteed. Our guarantee 60 days money-back guarantee. At AlgePrime, we truly offer the most stunning, trendy, highest quality products in the world. We will do whatever it takes with outstanding customer service support to assist everyone, as we highly value our customer satisfaction with absolute zero risk. Ready to master algebra? Join a group of students who will transform their mathematical understanding with AlgePrime. Start your journey today. Start learning now. Questions? Contact us at contact@gans-pass.com. 2025 Copyright Digistore 24 Inc., United States, Inc. and/or its licensors. Review legal notice here, terms of use here and privacy policy here. Contact us here.